Bada bing, bada boom. I got so excited testing these out before I had them made. I was so juiced and energized. Oh snap. Oh, I thought I was gonna this was gonna be one of the ones where I sew them together. This is one of the ones where I'm still I did this with each set. I put the belt in to make sure that everything lined up. So again, got a gazillion videos like this. This is 132008. I have 132009. And I still have more videos. At least 20, maybe 30. I was talking to my sister today in Vietnam, and I want to start doing lives. I keep missing my premieres. I'll catch one day, then I'll miss one day. Then I'll catch one day, then I'll miss one day. And I want to be there for the premieres. So I went back into my settings today, and I tried to set an alarm and a notification, because I don't like missing those. I want to be there live when it airs, when it premieres. So yeah, I'm working on that. So if you guys want to catch me and I get my SHYT together, you can ask me questions in the premiere until I figure out how to get my lives up. And I have 3 different pieces of software that are set up so I can do lives, and so that's what's gonna. I'm thinking about doing that next, doing some lives, rather making it a staple part of my my platform. But do you guys want to see me do this live? Let me know. I still have the blue crushed velvet dress cut out. It's ready to be put together for someone to win when I get 2,500 subscribers. If anyone is interested, the dress is already cut out. All I have to do is sew it up and put the elastic in it. It's off the shoulders. There's a video in my on my channel where I explain it. It's absolutely free, or rather it will be free. I am not charging for it. It is a Vogue, the cutout shoulder, pattern 7239. So if you Google 7239, Vogue 7239, you're going to get like 6 or 7 different patterns. I noticed that when I searched it myself. So the one I have is totally different, just so you know. Right here, I forgot that I was at the waist, so I was perplexed. See? I'm glad I'm putting these videos up. I remember this. I was so perplexed. What the heck was I doing? Then I noticed the pockets are at the hips, so I wanted to know what was I doing wrong. And I was like, what am I doing? And that's where the belt loops go, right there. The pockets go down there where the thread is. That's where they go, right there. And I had them at the waist. So this is what I want to show you guys. All my ups and downs, my goofs, my slip-ups. I felt so silly when I did that. I was like, you really need to be paying attention, because that just didn't make no sense whatsoever. my notches. When I'm putting my notches in, I'm not catching the fabric. So I have to find a way. So when I cut these out and I put the notches in, it goes all the way down. I want a Vivor rotary knife. Actually, I can get one, but I want to make sure I have business coming in. So I need you guys to buy these. Okay? I was at school and there was this guy, he used to come in and he taught me how to do, or rather he showed me how to do that. You sharpen the or you put an edge on the chalk so it isn't dull, and you can get a much closer marking instead of it being dull and wide. And you in pattern making, as in engineering, architecture, whatever, distances, measurements matter. Take this dress. It's a size 8. A 1/4 inch adjustment or mistake is a whole inch. Yeah, you have what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So having that chalk make those lines like that, there's a purpose. There's always a method behind the madness. I just can't imagine, not that I haven't done it before, because I have, but have your measurements be so off that you add on an inch and a half to your garment. Then it's out of shape. It doesn't fit. Either it's too big or it's too small. I want to learn how to do time. I'm, as you can tell, I'm speeding this up. What I really want to do is learn how to do time lapse. I see the video. I mean, I see the option to use time lapse, but it's, I don't know. I'm not picking up how to accomplish that, and I really want to learn that time lapse. Looks like we are at 7 minutes. About 3 minutes left to go. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Tack it all down. Make sure everything is nice and neat. I'm proud of myself. I am. They're not perfect, but when I see myself doing this, it lets me know that I'm serious and I have the talent to pull this off. I post every day. The next 2 videos will be at 5 o'clock, but I'm going to go back to 8 o'clock. And I want to see how my new notifications work, and I'll make a decision from there. If they work, then I will go back to 8 o'clock. If they don't work, then I'm going to stay at 5 o'clock. But the next 2 videos are at 5 o'clock in the evening. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.